Let's join Freddie in his world of colour to look at the beautiful Verbena, which is great as an edging option for pathways.
Hi, I'm Freddie from AT Nursery and welcome to my world of colour. Whether you prefer a patchwork of bright, vibrant colours, gentle pastel prettiness, or an advanced colour scheme, there are bedding plants to suit your garden. Verbenas are lovely plants with a low spreading growth habit or a more upright growth, both being suitable for hot, dry spots. These plants have flowers of pink, deep rose, violet, scarlet, and purple, and sometimes with a contrasting white center. Verbenas are useful for edging pots, growing on banks, in beds, in tubs, and in hanging baskets. Verbenas need sunshine and good air circulation, and you should avoid watering leaves. Even though established plants are drought tolerant, they will do better with regular watering, especially container-grown plants. Also make sure they have good drainage, whether in containers or garden beds, so their roots don't sit in soggy soil. For the best results, plant them with other plants that have similar water requirements. The Verbena Firehouse series boasts large, colorful clusters of small star-shaped flowers with white eyes. The tiny narrow leaves remain green all season, and their trailing spreading growth habit makes them a great ground cover in your garden. Firehouse grows to about 25 by 45 centimeters. Verbena Pop is a compact mounded perennial that does well in hot, humid, and dry areas. They also prefer full sun and grow to about 25 by 35 centimeters. Verbena Cadet is an upright bushy perennial that produces uniform compact plants. They grow to about 25 by 45 centimeters in full sun, and there are 6 colors available. Use them boldly, use them creatively, and use them to bring a smile to the garden by grouping them in rockeries, edging pathways, borders, and mixing them with perennials and bulbs. Don't forget, we've made it really easy. All the information you need is on the label. And remember, in good times and in bad times, flowers bring you moments of joy.